Hey friend, where are you from?
So we're from Harare, Zimbabwe, in southern Africa.
May I know your name?
So I am Mike, and this is my business partner Kyle.
And when come our Bryant factory, how do you think our factory and our machines and our service?
Very impressed, and we look forward to doing business with Blue Elephant. We've coming from Africa, from a third world nation to China. We are extremely happy with what we've seen, very impressed, and we're definitely sure it will boost our company in Zimbabwe and hopefully in regional Africa.
Okay, so thank you.
And thank you too.
Thank you.